What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's Sierra. Welcome back. So today I'm going to be attempting, y'all, this is my very first time trying this, attempting to make my very own tablecloth for a pop-up shop type of vendor show I have coming up. This is my logo. I already have it in my Cameo 3 software. It's already sized to the size I need it to be, and the measurements. I think I'm going to like ungroup it and press it in multiple pieces just to make it easier. I do have my HTV vinyl. It's like a rose gold pinkish type of vinyl. It is a 10-foot roll. I'm going to be using this, you guys, to cut. Okay, so I'm going to load it into my Cameo. All right, y'all, so me trying to cut it without a mat had the vinyl sliding back and forth, so I wasted so much vinyl trying to do that. So now I have a mat. We're going to cut, like I said earlier, we're going to cut my logo and my business name to press onto a tablecloth. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and send the image. It's the same image. I already flipped it. It's been traced. So I'm going to send it to the machine, and hopefully this time around it cuts properly without sliding all over the place. All right, y'all. I'm getting ready to, I had to, excuse the noise. I had to do it in sections. Well, just the CIA of my name, because it started to slide again, even with the cutting mat, y'all. So if y'all have any tips on how to get it not to slide, please let me know. Like I said, I done wasted so much vinyl with it sliding like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and weed. This is my first time using this particular vinyl. I should have made a little box here to help me. But it shouldn't be hard once I get the box. Get the first section started. So I'm just gonna go ahead and weed this out. That way we can go ahead and press it on. Start pressing it on to our tablecloth. So right now I have two different pieces that I'm going to be pressing. I really hate weeding, y'all. All right, y'all. So this is what it looks. I weeded it out. I placed it on my tablecloth. I'm using my 18 by 18 heat press I got from Amazon a couple of years ago. Well, a few years ago. I will say this vinyl, a company sent me this a while back, y'all. I haven't been pressing anything, so I have not had a chance to use it. But I will not use it again. That shit took forever to weed out. It kept rolling up on me, y'all. I'm just going to stick to my Caesar Easy Weed vinyl, because this right here, that's a no-go. Okay, so I'm going to make sure it's even. Hopefully, this is my first time doing it, so hopefully it's as even as possible. Don't mind the dust on the heat press. It's been sitting for a minute. I'm going to clean that off. But this is, I'm going to have to do the middle first. I'm going to go to the side and then the other side, and press it like that in 3 different parts. That way I can make sure the vinyl adheres to the tablecloth, okay? All right, so I'm gonna put my Teflon sheet over the top of it. I have my heat press at 345, so I'm not gonna do it for the 70 seconds. I'm gonna do it for maybe 20 or 30, and then take it and then do the other side. And then once it's all kind of adhered to the tablecloth, I'm gonna go back and replace just to make repress it just to make sure it's secure. So I'm gonna do about 30 seconds. Then I'm gonna move to the other side and then add the other piece that I had to cut separately onto it. All right, so I'm gonna do the other side. Make sure it's covered with my Teflon. Then I have to add in the letters that kind of got messed up when the cameo started to shift. I'm gonna add these last. Now I may not need a second press. I'm gonna see once I peel it back what is it looking like, and then go from there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and gently peel this off. Okay, it's a little, I need to let it cool. Let me go slow. I'm gonna let it cool. Let me repress it. The E got a little messed up, but it's gonna be okay. Let me put a little bit more heat to it just to make sure. Okay, y'all. So this is what it looks like after I peeled the backing from the vinyl. Oh my goodness, this section burnt. Oh my goodness, you guys can see, but it's my first time doing it. The letters were lifting up some on that side, so I pressed it a little bit longer. But for my first time, I think it looks pretty good, you guys. It wasn't really hard. I think me having issues with my machine, me having issues with the vinyl, you know, weeding it, I think that is why it kind of took me a little bit longer. But this is just my logo and my business name, Sierra Jonay. This is a one of those fitted tablecloths that go on a 6-foot table. Hopefully this kind of goes away. I may try to throw it in the washer and see. After a day or so, I might throw it in the washer and see if I can get rid of this. If not, it's fine. The tablecloth was like $10 from Amazon. This vinyl, as I said, a company sent me this a while back. I can't remember the name of the company, but I won't use it again, I'll tell you that. So yeah, this is my tablecloth. This is my logo. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna start back. You know, I'm a little dusty, a little rusty, y'all, when it comes to my vinyl, my heat press. Like I need to step my game up. So, but I'll start making more videos with like crafting and doing little DIY projects and stuff like that for you guys to see. But yeah, other than that burnt spot, I think it looks pretty good. This rose gold on the back, on the black, looks really good, guys. So yeah, comment down below if you have any tips, tricks, what I could have done differently on the end where it wasn't coming up with that vinyl besides burning it. But yeah, let me know down below. Recommend me some vinyl you guys are using. I need a heat press that kind of like I can pull out because this joint is hot. So let me know what you guys are using these days. Like, comment, subscribe if you feel the need to. And yeah, I'm just, you know, I'm dusting things off, y'all. I'm gonna get back in the swing of things. But thanks for watching. I'll talk to y'all later.